Hello students, welcome back to e-classes of P.N. Mercy High School, Standard 12 Commerce, subject Statistics. Today we are going to solve sums on linear regression. The regression coefficient we will be finding by the formula B is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. The constant a will be found by the formula a equal to y bar minus bx bar. And then finally we will find the regression equation of y on x by the formula y is equal to a plus bx. Let us solve the sums based on this. This formula we will be using when the numbers are small. That is, generally the numbers will be less than 15 or around 15. Let us take question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Here the information which is given is about 6 cars and time of usage of car and annual maintenance cost is given. Time is taken as x, annual maintenance cost is taken as y. And what we are supposed to do? We have to estimate an annual maintenance cost when the time of a car is 5 years. Now here the values of x and y are less than 15. So while finding the regression equation of y on x, we will be using the formula for b as n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. So see, the values of x are 3, 1, 2, 2, 5, 3 and y is given as this. So what we are going to do, first of all, multiply x and y. So 3 into 10 will give us 30, 1 into 5 will give us 5, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 5 into 13 when you do, you will get 65 and 3 8s are is 24. The next step is find x square. So square these values. 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9. Now what is the next step? Do the total of this. So when you total the value of x, you will get it as 16. When you total the value of y, you will get it as 51. When you total the value of xy, you will get it as 154. And when you total x square, you will get it as 52. So these are the values. Now what is the next step? Find x bar. Now what is x bar? Sigma x by n. Sigma x is 16 divided by, if you see there are 6 cars, so n is 6. Now when you find its value, this will be 2.67. This is x bar. Now let us find y bar. Sigma y is 51 divided by 6. So when you divide 51 by 6, you will get it as 8.5. So this is y bar and this is x bar. Now the formula for b you are already having. What is the formula for b? This is n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Now let us substitute the values. N is 6. Sigma xy, that is 154, minus x, that is sigma x, is 16, sigma y is 51, divided by 6 into sigma x square is 52, minus sigma x square is sigma x the whole square. When you are doing, that is 16 the whole square. So now when you solve this value, you will get it as 1.93. This is B. So now after getting B, what we are supposed to do? We have to find A. So what is the formula? A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar we have got it as 8.5 minus b is 1.93 and x bar we have got it as 2.67. Now when you solve this, the answer which you will be getting for A is 3.35. Now what you are supposed to do? Substitute the values of A, that is this one, and the value of B in the regression equation of y on x. Now see, substitute the values. A which we have got is 3.35 plus B which we have got is 1.93 and this is x. So this is the regression equation of y on x. Now what we are supposed to do? When the value of x is given to us, we can find the value of y for that value of x. So this is the regression equation. Now here what they have given, that x is 5. So what we can do, when x is equal to 5, what will be y? Y will be 3.35 plus 1.93 into the value of x is 5. Now let us solve it out. This value of y we will be getting as 13. And this value was in thousands, so this is 13,000. This is the final answer. Let us solve another question, that is question number 1 of section E of exercise 3. Here again you have to obtain the regression line of monthly income on the years of job of the marketing executives. Years of job we can take it as x, monthly income we can take it as y. Again the numbers are small, so we will be solving it by the same formula. So again what we will be doing, we will be multiplying x and y. So 10 into 11 will give us 110. 6 into 7 when you will be doing, you will be getting 42. 8 9s are 72. 5 5s are 25. 9 6s are 54. 7 8s are is 56. 11 10s are is 110. Now what is the next step? Take the square of this. So 10 square is 100, 6 square is 36, 8 square 64, 5 square is 25, 9 square is 81, 7 square is 49 and 11 square is 121. Now what is our next step? Do the total of x. So when you do the total of x, you will be getting 56. Do the total of y. This will be again 56. Do the total of xy. This will be 469. Do the total of x square. So this will be 476. Now what is our next step? Find x bar. So now what is x bar? X bar will be sigma x is 56. So 56 divided by the numbers are, total numbers are 7. So 56 by 7 you will get it as 8. So this is the value of x bar. Now find y bar. What is y bar? Sigma y is 56. N is 7. So again you will get it as 8 and this is y bar. Now what will be our next step? Find b. So what we will be doing, n is 7, xy total is 469 minus x total is 56, sigma y is again 56 divided by 7 into x square total is 476 minus sigma x, that is 56 the whole square. So in this way we will find b, and the answer which we will be getting for this will be 0.75. So this is the value of b. Now what will be our next step? Find A. So what we will do? Substitute the values. So B will be y bar. Y bar we got it as 8 minus B is 0.75 and x bar is 8. So now when you solve this, you will get the value of A, and the answer which you will be getting for A will be 2, because this is 8 minus 0.75 into 8, when you do that is 6, so it is 2. So A we are getting as 2. Now what is the next thing? Substitute the values of A and B in the regression equation. So now when you substitute the value, A is 2 plus B is 0.75 into x. So your regression equation is 2 plus 0.75x. This is the regression equation of monthly income on the years of job. This is your final answer. Solve this question which I am giving to you. Here the monthly sale of TV sets and its profit is given. Obtain the regression line of y on x. Solve this sum. In the next session we are going to